So what's up guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. In case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. Now this video is about Justin Gatlin and of course Asafa Powell. Now recently I saw a very shocking video about Justin Gatlin and Asafa Powell, and I will be breaking down every single detail you need to know about this particular video. So first and foremost, a video of Asafa Powell and Justin Gatlin circulated on the social media, whereby Asafa Powell was wearing a skit from the United States of America, while the Justin Gatlin on the other hand is wearing a skit all the way from Jamaica, and it's kind of confusing. It's kind of confusing because this has gotten a lot of people. Maybe they are kind of feeling like this is totally wrong, and maybe they want to switch countries, but the reality is it is just for fun. They probably did it just for fun. As you can see, they are just kind of busy, they are dancing, they are whining, and that's all they are doing. So I definitely believe that it's just for fun, right? But anyway guys, let me hear your opinion, and do not forget to like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.